Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
There is a place on Earth where clouds cling to stone towers. Here, rivers fall from the sky and mist drifts across endless green valleys. In Venezuela, nature's dreams become reality. Angel Falls tumbles nearly a kilometer from fortress-like cliffs. Strange Tepui mountains pierce the clouds. So tall and flat, they're called islands above the rainforest. Venezuela's mysteries call to all who long to journey where the wild things are. Venezuela lies on the northern edge of South America. To the north, the Caribbean Sea sparkles in the sun. To the west, Colombia stands guard across green borders. Brazil stretches along the south, while Guyana marks the east. This is a country shaped by mountains, plains, and rivers. The land is split into three broad regions. In the west, the mighty Andes Mountains rise, crowning the country with snowy peaks. The central plains, called the Llanos, roll endlessly, home to cowboys and wild horses. In the southeast, the ancient Guiana highlands begin, hiding secrets older than time itself. Venezuela's greatest river, the Orinoco, cuts from the Guiana highlands in the south to the Caribbean in the north. It is one of the longest rivers in South America. Along its banks, life thrives. Rainforests sprawl to the south and east, while the north boasts sandy beaches and bustling cities. This land is a meeting place of worlds, mountain and plain, river and sea. Its geography creates a stage for adventure, for survival, and for the surprises of nature. Venezuela is a paradise of life. In the Amazon, sunlight struggles through thick leaves as giant trees tower above. Parrots squawk overhead, monkeys leap from branch to branch. In the Orinoco Delta, pink dolphins play in twisting streams. The Grand Sabanna's grasslands are dotted with rare orchids and pitcher plants. This is a land where evolution has run wild, creating creatures as strange and beautiful as the landscapes they call home. High above the clouds, the Tepuis rise like forgotten castles. These ancient table mountains are older than the dinosaurs, older even than the Amazon. Their walls are steep and sheer, their flat tops cut off from the world below. Roraima, the tallest and most famous, stands shrouded in mist and rain. Strange plants grow here, giant pitcher plants and tiny frogs found nowhere else. The Paman people believe the Tepuis are the homes of powerful spirits. To stand on a Tepui is to step into another age. Deep in Canaima National Park, hidden by rainforest and clouds, Angel Falls leaps from the heart of Auyan Tepui. It is the highest waterfall on Earth. From the edge of the Tepui, water plunges 979 meters, almost a full kilometer, before turning into mist below. The falls are named for Jimmy Angel, an American pilot who crash-landed his plane on the Tepui in 1937. But long before that, the local Peman people called it Karapakupai Meru, waterfall of the deepest place. For them, it is a sacred site, a place where the world touches the sky. Reaching Angel Falls is an adventure. Travelers journey by boat and on foot through dense jungle, following winding rivers and hidden trails. The falls often vanish into clouds, revealed only when the wind shifts. The sound is like distant thunder, calling across the valley. Standing before Angel Falls, you feel small. Water, stone, and sky come together in a dance older than memory. It is a reminder of the planet's wild, mysterious heart. Venezuela's story is one of struggle and hope. Long ago, indigenous peoples roamed its forests and rivers, living with the land. In 1498, Christopher Columbus sailed along its coast. Soon Spanish settlers arrived, building towns and searching for gold. For centuries, the Spanish ruled. But in the early 1800s, winds of change blew across Latin America. A young leader, Simón Bolívar, rose up. He fought for freedom, leading armies across mountains, rivers, and plains. In 1821, Venezuela declared independence, joining a wave that swept the continent. Bolívar, known as El Libertador, became a symbol of hope. He dreamed of a united South America, but after independence, Venezuela faced many challenges. There were times of war, peace, and change. Today, the spirit of Bolívar lives on. His vision, struggles, and triumphs are remembered in every corner of the land. Venezuela's history is written in its cities, jungles, and hearts. Venezuela is a country of contrasts. In the city of Caracas, tall glass towers rise above busy streets, markets buzz with life, cars and buses speed by, people gather in plazas to talk, laugh, and share news. Shopping malls and music echo the rhythm of modern life. Maracaibo, on the shore of Lake Maracaibo, is famous for oil and industry. The city never sleeps. Nightlife, sports, and culture thrive. But beyond the cities, a different world awaits. In the countryside, life moves slower. In the llanos, cowboys called llaneros ride across vast grasslands, tending cattle as their ancestors did. Small villages dot the landscape. People grow cassava, corn, and bananas. Rivers are highways, and boats replace cars. Though city and country may seem worlds apart, they are bound by shared roots. Family, tradition, and the land itself shape daily life. Whether in a mountain village or a buzzing city, the spirit of Venezuela shines through. Venezuelan culture bursts with color and sound. People greet you with warmth and smiles. Music fills the air. Guitars, drums, and maracas beat out the rhythms of joropo and salsa. The national dance, the joropo, tells stories of the plains, of horses and rivers. Food is a celebration. Arepas, round cornmeal breads, are eaten at every meal, filled with cheese, meat, or beans. Hallacas, a kind of tamale wrapped in banana leaves, are a holiday treat. In coastal towns, fresh fish and plantains are daily staples. Sports are a passion. Baseball is king, with children playing in streets and parks. Soccer and basketball are loved too. Festivals light up the year. Carnival, Christmas, and local fairs bring music, dance, and family together. Traditions run deep. From the Pemon in the south to the Wayu in the north, indigenous culture blends with Spanish and African roots. Every day, Venezuela's people celebrate life with energy, faith, and hope. To visit Venezuela is to enter a world of raw, unfiltered nature. Here you can climb ancient mountains, swim in jungle rivers, and walk beneath the tallest waterfall on earth. The land is wild, untamed, and astonishingly beautiful. Every journey brings new surprises. A macaw's flash of color in the forest, the scent of orchids after rain, the taste of fresh mango under the sun. In the evening, fireflies dance across the savanna, while distant thunder rumbles from hidden valleys. Venezuela is not just a place. It is an experience. It invites adventure, curiosity, and wonder. The land holds stories older than memory, waiting for those who dare to explore. Few places on earth offer such richness and mystery. Venezuela's beauty is raw and real, untouched by crowds. It is a gift for those who listen to the call of the wild. Venezuela is a dream waiting to be discovered. Its lost worlds, ancient mountains, and roaring rivers call to the spirit of adventure in us all. Here, nature's secrets lie hidden in mist and stone, inviting us to wonder what mysteries remain. Each corner of this country has a story. Some are written in books, others are whispered by the wind through the jungle. The land reminds us of how much we do not know, and how much there is to explore. It is a place where hope and history, beauty and danger, travel side by side. To dream of Venezuela is to dream of adventure, of wild places where the heart beats faster. The invitation is simple: come and see, come and feel, come and wonder. For those who love the unknown, Venezuela waits. Its lost worlds are real, its stories are alive, and its mysteries are just beginning to unfold.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.